Hey, we're here at AOTA Inspire 2023. It's been a terrific show. We've gotten such great response for our new G4 next generation simulator for clinical therapy. The team is just fantastic. The team is super excited. The response has been terrific.
Exhibiting was only half the story. We were also extremely honored to sponsor and organize the world premiere of Finding Me in OT. It's a documentary film from occupational therapist Rhiannon Crisp. It tells the story of her journey to find meaning and purpose within the OT profession, which was a message that really resonated with the 200 folks that came out for the screening, as well as the panel discussion that followed.
And we love our OTs, and we will see you next year at Inspire 2024.